Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I really wanted to go over the Ricoh GR3X. This has been my latest pickup, honestly, because I felt like I was missing a lot of moments throughout my daily life. So a lot of things have just changed. You can tell I'm in a new setting. We just moved into a new spot here. We have our home studio set up over here. We got a couple light box modifiers and I have 3 backdrops right there. I launched my production company called Sky Studios LA. We specialize in artist press imagery, so we work a lot with musicians and artists. We also specialize in commercial campaigns. Recently we just did a campaign for Adidas, and we work with a jewelry brand called For Those Who Sin. So this is pretty much where you're gonna find a lot of our work that we do for brands. And the other thing we specialize in are editorials. So we love shooting portraits of people, models, anybody really in the studio. That's been kind of the biggest thing that we've done in the last 8 months that hasn't necessarily been documented here on YouTube, but we're super stoked. Definitely check out Sky Studios LA. I'll leave all the links and stuff down below. So the reason why I wanted to make this YouTube video today was because I recently picked up the Ricoh GR3X. This camera is smaller than my phone. Not even kidding. Like, it's this much smaller. And this thing just packs a punch. And I'm sure if you've ever been interested in the GR series, you've definitely watched videos on the reviews. My thing is that I'm not really going to talk a lot about specs or like the tech side of things. I really would rather take you guys out into the field and show you exactly what it's like to work with this camera and show you guys the results of just walking around and shooting a natural lit portrait session. Honestly, this camera surprised me in about every single way. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. We're gonna link up with my buddy Tyshawn, and we're gonna go out and shoot some portraits. What's up, bro?
Hey, man, nice to see you, bro.
Good to see you, man. How are you?
Brother, man, chilling, man.
Yeah.
Shit. Let's run it.
Did you get home from work?
Shit, hell yeah, nah, shit. I pulled up with the clothes on me at work.
Okay, say less. Got this new fun little camera. It's literally the size of my phone, so I'm like trying to do a sick portrait shoot on it. I think we'll get some good stuff.
Damn, that shit's fire.
Yeah.
Shit, where'd you get this at?
Bro, I just bought it.
Oh, damn.
It's hella expensive, but it's like professional grade for the size.
That's valid.
That's
Pack
why,
a punch.
yes, that's why it's expensive. So,
It's never about the size.
never about the size. I do kind of see the sunlight still going. Maybe come up here and let me see if the sun will hit you against this like white wall. Yeah, it's right there. Maybe if I can, yeah, we can just leave it here, bro. Because I don't know about the location, but I just want to see the lighting. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me see. Nice. I got this like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I've been dying to just do portraits on it only. But it's great for just like running around and snapping shit. That's what I've been using it for. So
No setup, no nothing.
yeah,
All that shit.
and it comes out good. Let me see there. Perfect. Okay, cool. Let's move. Let's find a little bit of a different spot. I think this is a good zone. Maybe we just try some stuff here and come out a little bit more this way. And let me see if I can get that on you actually, because I can see it on me here. Yeah, okay, cool. That's what we're chasing right there, is that good lighting. So it's kind of dumb how just hard it goes. It's sharp.
Damn. That shit's overly crisp.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. And then there too, and then these were the other ones there. So we're cooking,
That's
but you
fire.
know, we're gonna do our thing.
All right, we going crazy.
Okay, yeah. No, it's easy. All right, cool. Let's get a couple more with the light here. Yes. Take a step. I kind of want to get you centered with the alleyway a little bit more. Yeah, right there. That's fire. And then maybe turn a little bit more this way. Yeah, I like that. Sick. Maybe show the teeth a little bit and see if we can get a shine on there. I think it might have to be chin up a little higher. Yeah, maybe be overly intentional with it a bit. Face it. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, bro, right there. Yeah, you can look off camera too. That's fire. Got great lighting. Okay, let me get more of a close-up. I'll be up in your grill for 1 second here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. We got a couple good ones there. I guess let's just keep moving. Yep. My plan was just kind of hit this whole alleyway and see where we end up. Yeah, I like the lighting right here. But yeah, bro, that's fire. Yeah, somewhere in here. Let's see. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Maybe I'll go more in front here. I'm gonna shoot some horizontal. Maybe you can face me now. Maybe we'll go kind of a lower angle here. Nice. Yep. All right, maybe let's work with some backlight now. So maybe can I, oh wait, actually that looks sick right there. Hold that real quick. All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, now look, keep your head back, but look just straight out there. A little bit more straight, like I want to see more side of your face. Yep. Put the head back on the wall. We're stressed out. Yeah, that looks good though. Got that. Now let me see, come up here a little bit with me. And then I'm gonna have you block the sunlight out with your head, I think. So step up over here. Right there. Yeah, right there. Trying some backlighting here. Just wanna see how the camera reacts, honestly. Picking up focus, great. Yeah, bro, these are crazy. Let me get more blur here. 3, 2, 1. All right, and then maybe I'll shoot it like this low. Yep, fire. And give me, oh, I like that. Give me one more look right to the camera though from there. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, fire. Show you what we're working with there. It's a little hard to see, but the results from this camera have been insane so far.
That's crazy.
I'm trusting it.
Right there. That shit is fucking crazy.
Yeah, that one too. That looks, I know that'll come out crazy.
Yeah, the shine on the wishes.
Yeah.
Man, these are crazy, bro.
Bro, thank you.
Yeah, I like that one.
This is just, like, the camera itself is small, but bro, what the fuck? Like, just
Less
having this.
is more.
Exactly.
You don't need a big team. You don't need 10 clothing racks. You don't need 50 different assistants. You need a real one, and a real one behind this lens right here. we went together.
Yes.
Spitting. I love it. Let's come out a little bit more. I almost kind of want like the light to be halfway, so maybe find the shadow. Yeah, ooh, right there. Maybe bring like a hand involvement up top a bit. Yeah. Honestly, the focus is going crazy. Yeah, it went right to your eye. That's perfect. Oh yeah. That one's stupid too. It's just so clutch, bro, because imagine when I'm like out at like an event or something. Yes, and now I have a great ass photo. That's what it is. That's the point of this whole camera. All right.
What's the point? What's the point?
Just to have it in your pocket. And if you see somebody that you know or an opportunity that arises, well, I have my phone in my pocket, and I also have a thumb grip, which kind of messes it up if it goes in your pocket. But nonetheless, this is literally smaller than the phone. And it takes way better pictures than the phone.
Crazy.
What can I say? Let's keep it going. Like this like electrical box and shit, you see how fucked up that is? Yeah, that's cool. And maybe I'll do some full body shots here just to get some variety. I feel like we did a lot of close-ups, so let's just see. Yeah, crazy. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, maybe look straight. Maybe I'll kind of come in here. I like shooting at this angle right here. Yeah, that's fire. Nice, okay. Let's see. Closer shot. All right, let me have you come off the wall. That's fire. Come up a little bit more. I'll get a little bit more separation from the wall. Maybe just out like on this middle part here. All right, let's see. Yes, dude, these are so sick. I like the head tilt actually a little bit more. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's just see how these are looking. I'm already liking the lighting. Yep, so if you bring your chin, yeah, there's like a pocket of light you're standing right in.
This is so majestic right here.
Yeah, it does look great. Perfect. Maybe lean that chin back in a little bit, find that sun. Yeah, that's sick. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, I love that. I'm gonna grab a close-up. me see if the light is finding you more. Oh, you're in it right there. Okay. Yep. That's perfect right there. Yep. Can you scoot this way just a little bit? Yeah, the light's like perfect right there. I'm getting closer here. Yeah, maybe chin down a little bit actually, kind of feeling that. Yep, fire. Yeah, give me one more where your hands are like that, but then just look straight down the alleyway. Yeah, I love that. All right, for sure. All right, I think that's good for this area. We can just go down. I see another light patch there, and then we can find some walls to shoot on. And then see where we're at with that. It's a bit abandoned and just has a lot of texture, so let's see what we can do here. Yep. Go up in ISO. Let me punch in a little bit more here. Kind of just like the green background as well. Yep. Damn, the chains look so sick right here. Get that. Maybe go chin down just a little bit. Actually, maybe chin up. Let me see what the light hits. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Getting really soft light here. These are looking crazy. Let me shoot a couple more here.
It's crazy.
Yeah, bro, it's looking good. All right, let me see. So, grab one like that. Or actually, can we do a shot like where it's like the chains are right here and then maybe your like grill's out like that? Something like that, I'm down. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I think this would be a good placement for your hands to kind of go across like that. I know you kind of like something like that. Yep. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. This blue wall's kind of cool too. Actually like the tan on the blue too. Maybe like just center yourself a little bit more on the wall. About right there is good. Yep, perfect. Give me some like off-camera looks, kind of like that. I like that spot, that's good. No, let's go this way. Let's go down here a little bit more. And then you said you had one more fit?
Yeah, I got another one.
Okay. And there's like this glass right here. It's kind of fucking cool. All right, here we go. We're shooting now. All right, so even in backlighting, it's working really good. Ooh, that one's fire. Yep, get a little bit closer. Can you actually lean your head back a little bit more? I found some sweet spot there. All right, and you know what? Let's go to the last one, just so I can dodge this right here. And I think you'll be like right here, maybe. Yeah. Perfect. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this look crazy. Like, damn, bro,
Yeah,
I'm
that's
just
easy, man,
seeing
right
it.
there.
Like, damn. I like it a lot, man. I don't know. Maybe we could just keep moving around this corner and see. Let's have you a little bit more this way so I can dodge that line. Yeah, right there's good. All right, so yeah, we're mostly just over here to get some good lighting. Background is a bit plain, but it's working because the outfit looks good. And honestly, anywhere you just have a good light, it's gonna work. Yep. Kind of like a, oh, right there. 3, 2, 1. And then give me one where you're looking just straight down, but I like how you were hunched over a bit, over your body. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yep. Let me get one more where you're just kind of like looking right into the camera. I'll post it like that. because I love this lighting, and the fit actually is super tough. Yeah, maybe one more where you're kind of like this, like looking right, maybe sideways a little bit. Yeah, I love that. And 3, 2, 1. Sick. Okay, good with this location, thank you.
Swing.
Damn, just right out of camera, these are looking amazing. I'm gonna get to like this whole scene back here looks super dope. Yep, and we're shooting now. Yeah, let me have you looking off over that way a little bit. You could like maybe do some like step into the shot kind of motions. Yeah, you're good, you're good. We'll just make these pretty quick here. Yep, testing the autofocus. I mean, it's tracking. Fire. Let me get you where you are facing the car, like turn around a little bit, and I just want to see if there's anything. Now if you looked off camera. Yeah, it almost just looks more like you're just wandering around the scene a little bit. Love that, that's cool. Yep. Now y'all are seeing him work though. This is how you get shots. I'm stoked on him. A little bit more around the car and I'm good. And honestly, man, I just kind of want to fire away. I think if you could just move around and do the poses that you like to do, I'm going to trust you on that. Giving me range already. Let's go. Perfect. Yep, I don't even got a direct. I know y'all see him working. Come on. That's how you get those shots. What if we did a little bit of hand involvement kind of up higher? Love that. Right off the bat. It's different. Yeah, I'm loving these close-ups. I'm just running a few more of these. I think expressions, just think mood a bit. Love that, man. Okay, cool. I love those, bro. I think you're good.
Hey.
Bro, thank you. Thank you for just going crazy because these look really good. Lighting is soft as hell.
What's that one guy on Instagram Reels? 100 poses in 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah, and he is just ripping. We ended up getting really, really great shots, in my opinion, out of this camera and just out of the hour shoot that we did. If you're thinking about getting this camera, it's definitely a powerhouse, and just the places that you can take this camera because it's so small will open up a whole nother world of opportunities for you. Yeah, this thing's just a beast. All right, guys, so that concludes this YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved the video about the GR3X and the portraits that we shot on it. And let me know if you guys would use the GR3X for portraits on your next session. And I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.